paddle. Paddle. Run now. Whoa. Whoa, look at you. You're swimming? You're boating? Are you in the kayak? Can you say kayak? Kayak. Kayak, is kayak small or is it big? Big? See that? You got sand in the paddle. What do you think? Is this nice to get out on Mother's Day? You say, tell Mom, Happy Mother's Day. Tell Mommy, Happy Mother's Day.
What?
Uh-oh, where'd the paddle go? They went swimming? Okay, here's the paddle. You're gonna eat that sand, aren't you? Yeah, you like to eat sand. It's icky though.
It's probably cleaner than what she's been eating at daycare.
Yeah, I would probably have to agree with you. Oh, there you go. Oh,
Hey, where are you going? Daddy's going to have to ride in the backpack on the way home.
okay, you take it back to the car, okay?
Okay, you paddle on back, and me and Daddy will meet you over there.
Daddy will backpack Mommy back. What do you think? Mud? Mud. No, don't eat the mud. Get out of my boat. No, no mud. No mud. Daddy doesn't like mud.
Hey, 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 careful. That's pretty cold. Your fingers are going to get cold. Sit. Sit.
Oh, let's try to leave that out of the boat. Dad's going to be sitting in a mud pie on the ride home.
Hey, now, we sit in a boat, don't we? Sit. Daddy, yell at her to sit.
Sit down in my seat. Lift that up and sit down. Sit down. You know how to sit down.
Oh, kind of half sit for you.
That's not sitting. You're not sitting down there. Yeah? You sitting down? Swimming?
No, no, don't get out.
You stay in the boat.
She can get out on this side if she
Okay,
wants.
come on. You can get out on this side.
This is the beach side.
There you go.